Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to properly restart your T-Mobile router so you can fix slow speeds, dropped Wi-Fi, or random connection issues. If your T-Mobile router keeps lagging, disconnecting, or showing weak signal bars, it's usually because the device has been running for too long without a refresh, the internal network cache is full, or the 5G tower connection needs to be resynced. You may notice pages loading slowly, streaming buffering, or devices disconnecting. Don't worry, I'll show you the exact way to restart your T-Mobile router so it reconnects cleanly and gives you better performance. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Power off the router. Press and hold the power button on top or behind the router. Wait until all the lights turn off completely. Step 2. Unplug the router from power. Now, unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Give it at least 30 seconds. This clears temporary network memory. This short pause often fixes slow speeds instantly because it forces the router to refresh its connection to the 5G tower. Step 3. Plug the router back in. Reconnect the power cable and wait for the router to boot up. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes depending on your model. Step 4. Wait for the signal indicator to lock in. 2 to 5 solid bars means the router has reconnected properly. If the bars flash for a long time, let it finish syncing. Step 5. Reconnect your devices. Once the Wi-Fi lights turn stable, connect your phone or PC again. Most devices will reconnect automatically. If speeds are still slow, try moving the router near a window or higher spot before restarting again. Important notes. Avoid restarting your router repeatedly within a few minutes. Give it time to sync. If you see blinking red lights, check for outages in your area. For best performance, restart the router every few days. And that's it. Your T-Mobile router should be running smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.